Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening lock screen settings so you can reach the Screensaver dialog quickly. Press the Windows key and type lock screen, then hit enter. This skips menus and sends you straight to the right panel. Once there, scroll down and click the Screensaver settings link near the bottom. Make sure you have admin access if controls are grayed out. This initial step places the classic Screensaver settings window on screen so you can change choices without navigating control panel blindly. Now you choose and configure the Screensaver itself. Click the Screensaver drop-down and pick one from the list. This controls visuals and behavior. After selecting, set the wait time to how many minutes of inactivity should trigger it, and press Preview to see it in action. Preview closes instantly when you move. If the chosen saver has a settings button, click it to adjust specifics like speed or image folder. These controls let you fine-tune what appears and why it behaves that way. Finish by saving and verifying the change. Click Apply and then OK so Windows stores your new Screensaver and wait time settings. This prevents losing changes if you close the window. Test it with Preview or lock the PC to confirm behavior. If the Screensaver doesn't appear, make sure power settings aren't preventing display sleep, update your graphics driver, and confirm no group policy or company restriction disables the feature. If needed, reopen the dialog and repeat configuration with adjusted options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.